We call him Joseph.
Who's Joseph?
Joseph that bought the ringtones yesterday, and since he was the first one, I sent him 2. You know.
Oh.
Yeah, and I just want to see what he say. And he better answer this motherfucking phone. The fuck. See, this is the fucking bullshit I'm talking about. We gonna try to call Joseph, answer the motherfucking phone. Indiana.
Hello?
Joseph.
Yes, ma'am.
The fuck is going on? Shit.
Bitch, I'm trying to write a letter for the damn school so they can give me some damn money.
Well, what the hell? Did you get your ringtones?
Oh, yeah. I went and played it for everybody I know, and they, first of all, they couldn't believe that it was you, and they were like, damn, play that loud in the church, see what happens.
Oh, don't you play my shit in the church?
I will.
Joseph, did you like it?
Oh, yeah, I loved it, and I was, like, beyond happy that you actually sent 2.
Well, you know what? You the first one ordered one. Well, fuck it. You know, let me send him another one to show him how thank you I am.
Well, I'm going to put a link to that Gumbo Pot site on my Instagram and tell everybody I know about it. Because once I start playing it for everybody, they're going to want to get dogged up, too.
Well, you better hope they don't copy yours and just change the name. So I wouldn't put my whole thing on there.
So I won't.
Which one you like the best?
I want to say the second one. Right at the end, you said, you better answer the phone, you bitch.
So that was the favorite one?
Yep.
Okay, Joseph, look, we got to run. You have a good day here, honey. Thank you for your support.
Thank you. Keep us laughing.
Okay, and always remember, all of this is going to the ringtones and the season. Everything is going to my funding. Yep.
Well, you do what you want to with the money, because it's your motherfucking shit.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Talk to you later, man. Bye-bye.
Bye, baby.
Auntie Fee, ringtone. Auntie Fee, ringtone. Go to Gumbo Pop Media. Ringtone. GumboPopMedia.com.